Good morning, folks. We are in the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. We just got off of the Carnival Mardi Gras, and we are going to be having ourselves a quick little trip through Puerto Rico because, you know, there's a lot of walking in Puerto Rico, and a girl is just not up to no walking today. So here is our Carnival Mardi Gras. This is our exotic Eastern Caribbean cruise, and as you can see, we have shirts today, me and my boy, and we are going to go into Puerto Rico. We are gonna go to the beautiful Walgreens, and that's just probably about all I'm doing. I may show you some landmark while I'm over there, but you know, a girl is kind of lazy since a girl is on vacation.